Hello, my name is Karen and I am teaching a fourth grade science class in a public elementary school. The class has 22 children of middle to low economic status. Most are native English speakers, and they are an equal mix of Caucasian, Hispanic, and African Americans. I am using the programs Canva and Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a cloud-based online post board that can integrate videos, websites, images, files from Google Docs, and other Google Suite features. It is a user-friendly program with brief tutorials available for those who need them. As you can see, I created in my Google Classroom on the made post board several assignments. The assignments allow the students to watch a video. As you can see further down, they can watch a video and view images. The video I found on YouTube and integrated it into Google Classroom, and the image I found through a Google image search. Another element of the assignment is a quiz that I integrated into Google Classroom. The students will click on the Google form that I made and submit responses that will go into a Google Sheet that is in my Google Drive. Another assignment I created in Google Classroom is an assignment that directs the students to the program Canva. Canva is a cloud-based creative app that allows students to show their knowledge by creating digital posters. In Canva, students can find templates, manipulate elements, and share their work. Let's go back to the Google Classroom, where I can show you how these programs work together. In my Google Classroom, I've created an introductory water cycle assignment where the students will watch a video and view an image. As you can see, if I click on the video, I can start playing it. And if I click on the image of the water cycle, you can see the image and how it is labeled. Then they will answer the quiz that I created in Google Forms. You can see here it asks them their name, allows them to view the image and the video again, and then answer the questions. The next assignment tells them that they will use Canva to create their own informative digital water cycle poster that is properly labeled with scientific vocabulary. They will use a rubric that I created using Google Sheets, and you can click on it, and there you'll see the rubric. The students will post their posters to the Google Classroom and critique each other's work using the comments feature in Google Classroom right here. In Canva, the students can search for templates, and I'll go ahead and type in scientific poster, and they can select any one they want, and then they can start manipulating the poster. They can remove items. They can upload images and resize them. And they can add labels of different sizes and position them where they want them on the poster. Once they've finished manipulating the image, they can go up to File and save it. You can also share it with a person if you know their email address. You can find the link and copy it and embed it into a post, or you can also embed it into a thing like a website of your own. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, and then I'm going to put it into a post in response to the assignment on my Google Classroom. And there it is. I'm posting it, and that is my assignment response to the assignment that was posted in Google Classroom for the class to do. Other people can add comments and review my project and make assessments and critiques. It is also possible to have multiple conversations going on in Google Classroom in response to each other if you set that option. The Common Sense Education website has done a product review for both Google Classroom and Canva. Google Classroom does make it easy to integrate learning tools and materials from different sources. It is also easy to learn. Google does offer a Google Educator Level 1 certification with free tutorials and a test that is currently only $10 to take. And as you can see, Common Sense rated it with 4 out of 5 stars, and teachers rated it with 5 out of 5 stars based on 44 reviews. The platform is the Google website. One thing I did notice about the review was that while Google Classroom is a great way to organize and integrate resources, there is no robust gradebook and parents have limited access. And you can see more comments as you go further down. Now we'll go to the Canva review. Canva is a good creative tool for students to integrate learned knowledge into digital poster presentations that contain links and other resources. Canva has 4 out of 5 stars by Common Sense and 4 out of 5 stars by teachers based on 22 reviews. And as you can see, it supports iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, and Chrome. One thing I noticed as I was reading the reviews is that while there are many features and templates allowed for the creativity, and there's also guidance, the problem is that it is resource intensive and it can be prone to crashes if a stable internet is not available in the school. Overall, I think that Google Classroom and Canva are very good at allowing students to show their knowledge. They're very good at allowing students to create new concepts with those knowledge or new forms with that knowledge. And I also think that Google Classroom allows for great collaboration and sharing of resources and discussing of new ideas and concepts. I hope this review was helpful.